Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk to you guys about the National Stadium and the parking facilities at the National Stadium. No, they have no proper parking facilities at the National Stadium. They need to build a parking garage that can house or that can accommodate up to 1,000 cars. Now, the National Stadium can house can seat thousands of people. Yet the parking facility, they have no proper parking facilities that can accommodate 1,000 cars or even 500 cars. People have to be parking on the road, have to be parking all over the place. And those that park within the stadium grounds, you have chaos at the end of events. It can take you 1 hour just to drive out of the parking area at the National Stadium after, say, a football match. And then in recent times, a lot of cars have been broken into, vandalized at these events. Now, the last incident happened where cars were broken into and items stolen, but the owners or the operators of the National Stadium said those cars were actually parked outside the stadium facility because the stadium's parking facilities were full. Now they are having a concert at the National Stadium tonight. And they have said no parking at the National Stadium. You have to park and take a shuttle bus to the stadium. Now, the parking facilities are at JC, close to Papine, that's a very long bus ride, and also at West Kings House Road, which is also a very long bus ride. Now, if they had a parking garage at the National Stadium, all of this could be avoided. You wouldn't have this problem. And there is a lot of space at the National Stadium to build a parking garage. A lot of space. We're going to put a link below to a drone video we did of the National Stadium recently. And you'll see that compound, basically, that the National Stadium area has a lot of space where they could build a parking garage. And the UDC's actually, the Urban Development Corporation, is actually building a parking garage for downtown Kingston at their facility in the downtown area. They could easily build the same structure at the National Stadium and allow for proper entrance and exits to the parking garage, as well as security cameras, so that you have more security at the place. And by being able to control the entrances and exits, they'll increase the level of security there. So guys, let us know what you think. Do you think it's time that they build a proper parking garage at the National Stadium? Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.